The Pursue Unity Walk means a couple things to me. One is I think it is a very real picture of people from all parts of Chicago, of all backgrounds and ethnicities that make it happen. The walk takes everybody helping in every kind of way they can. This year, Pursue Unity, our goal is to raise about 150 grand. We're well on our way to that. But yeah, it's an unusual event. It's not a banquet, it's not a gala, but it is, I think, something that is maybe more powerful.
I believe in Pursue's cause of raising money for college students. As a college student, having a college student, I know how hard it is. So I'm just inspired and I just love doing things like this.
You know, to be 60 years old and be in the shape I am is all through the grace of God. My son got a scholarship and I'm doing it for him. I'm going all the way. I'm doing the whole 24.
I really love the idea of Pursue Unity, trying to walk through so many different neighborhoods that are distinct by so many different cultures, and really just wanting to bring people together. And I think we need more of that in our country these days.
So this Unity Walk is an encouragement because it is a picture of different ethnicities, people from all walks of life coming together for one common goal. One of the greatest investments that anyone could make would be in the following generation with regard to education. I believe that an organization like Pursue Scholars should be supported by every church, because if anyone should understand the need to invest in the next generation, it should be the body of Christ.
I think something important to understand is that you don't achieve anything by yourself. You need people around you, good people around you. Being able to see what other former Pursue Scholars were able to obtain and achieve, I think it was a way of me telling myself, like, hey, you can do it as well.